everybody, I've got another review for you, and it's on a half wig that everybody's raving about. I've seen quite a few videos and everybody loves the wig, and it's called Rainmaker by Sensational. Unfortunately, it looks horrible on me, and I'll tell you why, and then you could decide for yourself if you think it'll look good on you or not. But let me show you the packaging. Doesn't that look cute? So it's so thick and curly, and let me show you the wig. Okay, this is the underside. Look at these beautiful curls. I haven't combed through them yet. And this is the F1B30. Okay, the front has just the long comb, and then the back has a long comb, and then it has the strap. Okay. Why don't I like it? It's because the front right here is so thick. I'd say it's about 2 inches, that if your hair is thin in the front that you've left out, it will look like this big hump. And in fact, it looks so hideous on me that I'm not even showing it to you. I tried to hook it up. I tried to spray some of those dark fibers to camouflage my horrible edges and the thinning of my hair. And then I walked out and showed my sister who was visiting, and she just said no. Yeah, she was right. Now, my sister has extremely thick hair and beautiful hair, and this wig would probably look great on her. But if you have thinning hair, and especially in the front, or short hair, this will look horrible on you. The thickness in the front of this half wig really pooches up, so like jettisons up. And so if your own hair is thin, you can barely cover the hump, and it just looks fake and it looks horrible. So that's just a caveat. If you've got thick, lustrous locks in the front, then go for this wig. But if it's thinning and you have trouble with your edges, then you need to skip this, because you'd be so disappointed. I mean, the picture, let me show it again, looks so pretty, and everybody else on YouTube, just loves Rainmaker, and it's by Sensational. Everybody just loves it, but they all have the thick hair in the front. So just keep that in mind. And as far as this is concerned, it's not going to be another giveaway. Sorry, but actually it is. I'm going to give it to my sister. She will rock this. But as far as me, there's nothing I could do. I tried so many things to make this work. From spraying the fiber to using gel that was black to, everything. And it was just horrible. So, okay. For what it's worth, hopefully it'll help you. Take care.